Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today is Mask Monday with the Beauty Ninjas. And today I'm going to do an unboxing to kill two birds with one stone. So, the Inked Goddess Creations box came while I was at my son's. So it actually came Saturday. I'm filming this on a Sunday for tomorrow, or today, Monday. So, Inked Goddess Creation box. Let's open her up. So that is what it's looking like right now. Let me take out the card, and it says Dark Moon, April 2025. Shrouded in a cloak of night, the dark moon rides secrets out of sight. Hides secrets out of sight. For best retaliation, she will never reveal the magic you perform under the powerful seal. I'm probably going to need my glasses, which I do not have any clue where they are. Let me see here. Move this coffee. All right, there we go. Put my glasses on. Oh, so the mask is Cucumber Hydrate and Tone Pore Reducing Mask. Natural Extract Facial Mask by Spa Life. Looks like that. And it says, you are what you feed your skin. We believe you feel good on the inside, you look good on the outside. A natural skin hydrant. Cucumber extract attracts water to help plump and firm the look of skin for less noticeable pores and a smoother complexion. You can leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. It's already been on for about 10 minutes. All right, back to the box. So, I'm going to keep the card here. All right, this is a little poster about the dark moon. It's the lunar cycle phase when the moon is not visible from the earth, occurring just before the new moon. It represents the period when the moon is in conjunction with the sun, making it completely hidden from view. The dark moon symbolizes endings, rest, and deep introspection, making it a powerful time for shadow work, transformation, and spiritual insight. Often associated with the goddesses like Hecate and Lilith, it is used in magic for banishing negativity, cleansing, and inner reflection. The dark moon is a time to release the old and prepare for renewal, as well as a time to rest and renew before the new cycle of the moon. All right, and I'm not going to read everything, but that's what that looks like. All right, so the first thing I'm reaching in, that's what we're looking at. It says Dark Moon Candle. Sea salt sage with onyx chips. And it says a cleansing blend of sage and sea salt with onyx gem chips and a pentacle charm to help protect and ground you as you walk between the worlds or perform hidden magic. Just opening this box, the smell is amazing. It's all wrapped up. Ooh. So it looks like that, and that's the top. Oh my goodness, love the smell. All right, so that's that item. Let's take off this is what we're looking at. All right, so this first little pouch says shake well before each use to mix the mica. Cloak of Night, Dark Moon Magic. It's Cloak of Night body oil, a dark blend of oak moss, musk, gardenia, and more to create a veil of protection around you for performing dark moon magic. This body or bath oil contains dark purple mica for a shimmery look when rubbed into the skin. I'm not going to open it. that's what it looks like. Alright, so we got Dark Moon Tea. A bewitching blend of crimson, hibiscus, strawberry leaf, blackberry leaf, rose hips, juniper berries, vitamin C powder, and natural fruit flavor. Steep 1 tablespoon of tea for 4 minutes or until desired strength. And it says a blend of dark berries, berry leaves, and hibiscus, which brews slightly red, to drink before meditations, divination, or traveling between worlds for protection and success in your dark moon endeavors. I haven't done any dark moon stuff in a while. Probably should, huh? Alright, this is next. It's a metal plate. Moon phase metal tray. Adorn your altar with this gorgeous and functional metal tray. Use as a candle holder, herb catcher when making spells, jars, or bags, offering dish, and so much more. So that's what it looks like. And it has all the moon phases. Very pretty. Loving that. Alright, got a little sachet. This is an obsidian gemstone dark moon mini spear. Ooh, that's pretty. Obsidian is a perfect gemstone for grounding and protection. You can hold this mini sphere during meditation and astral travel, place it into the protection spell bags, or use it to represent the dark moon on your altar. Very nice. Nice energy on that. Alright, and then we got the card if you want to order from the ink creation. Alright, so then the last two things is we got more cards. One is about obsidian, and it tells you all about obsidian. And one is about dark moon magic. So, that's what we got. We got the cards, the tray, the tea, the obsidian spear, the body oil, the candle, the card for the month, and you can look at that. And then the little guide poster for dark moon magic. Alright, so that is our Mask Monday unboxing with the Beauty Ninjas. I will have a playlist down below, and please click on that and go watch the other Beauty Ninjas and their Mask Monday. Some people do empties, some do skincare. It just depends. I'm going to get this mask off. And that is it for this week. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you were able to do a nice face mask with me. And I hope you enjoyed the Ink Goddess Creation box unboxing. So until next time, see you later. Bye.